Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and we just received this 2023 Scout 177 Sport. This is the full hull black gel coat, black rub rail with stainless steel insert, big casting platform forward with storage beneath that hatch. Trolling motor panel is standard on this boat. 2 speakers up front and 2 speakers on either side of the leaning post or helm seat. Got a console seat with rod holders on either side with a live well beneath. At the helm, we've got a windscreen, digital gauges from Yamaha, aircraft style toggle switches, trim tabs with LED indicators, stainless steel steering wheel with a steering knob that's on a tilt base, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, cup holders, battery switch, battery trays located here with convenient storage. Keep your registration on board and dry. There's a look at that live well. It's also aerated. Deep storage beneath, everything's finished, drained. Storage for your nav and anchor lights, along with a 5-gallon bucket. Boat's powered with a 90 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. Underneath the helm seat, we've got dedicated space for an igloo cooler, tackle storage, and then storage on both sides with a net in place to keep things from sliding around. Bilge area, everything's easy to get to, and you take that cooler out. We have hydraulic steering on this boat. There is a fiberglass wedge to mount a power pole. Reboarding ladder on the port side. Just look at the trim tabs there. Cleats that recess, rod holders. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Always check us out online at marinemax.com. And be sure to come by our store at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. Again, this is Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.